welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to make another Brigadeiro recipe and it's going to be Creme Brulee Brigadeiro. It's really fun and I'm going to use a torch to help me in the end.
Here's the ingredients we're going to need. 1 sweetened condensed milk, 1 egg yolk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 coffee spoon of vanilla extract, 20 baking cups. First we will add the sweetened condensed milk, egg yolk, and vanilla extract in a small pot and mix it well. Then we'll cook it in medium heat without stopping until it gets thick enough, just like this. Now we can turn it off and transfer it into a bowl. Let it cool down for at least 2 hours. Once it's totally cooled down, we will make some little balls and put them into the recipient with the sugar. Next step is to roll the brigadeiros in sugar and place it into the tray. We'll then torch it to caramelize the top of the brigadeiro. Wait 5 minutes and then place your brigadeiros into the baking cups. And now it's ready to eat.
So that's a Creme Brulee Brigadeiro. I really enjoy it a lot.
Whoa, what is that? That's one of your brigadeiros?
Yeah, it's a creme brulee.
I've never seen anything, this is crazy. I've never seen anything that looks like that before for brigadeiro. Can I try one?
Sure.
Alright, I'm gonna get, actually I'm gonna pick this one up since you already got it in a nice little container here. Wow, that is crazy. Alright, let's see if it really tastes like a creme brulee. Cheers. Okay. Wow.
Does it taste like creme brulee?
Yeah. It honestly tastes exactly like creme brulee. You can taste that little bit of egg in it with the vanilla. Almost like a burnt marshmallow taste, but that's just because of the torch. But wow, this really does taste like creme brulee.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video, let me know in the comments if you tried it at home, and just be safe using the torch, and I see you next Thursday.